S181 drone operation tutorial. Take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before flying. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light always on when charging. Turn off automatically when fully charged. Demonstration of charging the remote control. Connecting the remote control. Connect to power supply. Red light is on when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Unfold the drone arm first. Install the drone battery. Insert the memory card. Place the drone on a level surface. Press and hold the power button to turn on the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The remote control will automatically align the frequency of the drone. Turn on the on-screen mapping. One button to calibrate the gyroscope. Push up the left stick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One button to take off. Up. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left fly. Right fly. Speed switching, 1 beep for low speed. 2 beeps for the middle speed gear. 3 beeps for high speed. Press the obstacle avoidance button. The drone is in obstacle avoidance mode. Press the roll button and toggle the right stick. The drone will roll 360 degrees. Motorized camera adjustment. One touch to land. Short press to take a picture. Short press to record video. Short press again to save the video. Long press to view photo. Long press to go back to the image transfer screen. Long press to view video. Short press to play video. Long press to go back to the image transfer screen. Replacing the fan blade. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the blades and remove them. Be careful to distinguish between the A and B symbols. Install the corresponding fan blade. Connect the app. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the corresponding app according to the cell phone system. Connect the Wi-Fi of the drone after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on your cell phone to start flying.